guys, it's me, and today we are doing a timer baking challenge. So I'm going to try to bake Ghirardelli Ultimate Chocolate Brownies in 15 minutes. Alright, so we're starting the timer. On the timer in 3, 2, okay. Have the timer going. Sorry if I'm not talking or that active for most of the video. I'm actually just trying to make these so that they don't turn out horrible. We have the water. Less than a 1/4 cup. Also, if y'all hear like barks or whines, it's because my dog is in the living room. I had to get him out of the kitchen so he wasn't under my feet for the entire video. Oh my god, what am I doing talking? I'm still on the timer. Okay, water is in there. Vegetable oil. Rascal, you are not getting in the kitchen. I'm trying to film. Be a little over fourth line, but just whatever. Okay, we need an egg. Get the eggs. If this video hits 10 likes, I will do another baking challenge. And I won't have everything pre-prepared for that challenge, and it'll only be 10 minutes. Because so far this one... Rascal, shut up! I'm trying to film. So this one, because I had everything pre-prepared, and it's 15 minutes, so I might actually make this one. Sorry about me going off camera. I had to go to the trash. Bro, I'm wasting time washing my hands. Okay. So as I was saying, if this video gets 10 likes, I will do another one where everything is not pre-prepared. I will be making a harder recipe, and I'll only have 10 minutes to do it. So that's going to be a nightmare for me. But if you guys can get this up to 10 likes and maybe get me 5 more subscribers on this video, I'll do that. I need the whisk. It's okay if you want to take out. Okay, this is a confusing brownie recipe. I don't know why I chose this one for my challenge. Whatever, we'll just put this in this bowl. I'm running out of time. Here's the timer. I only have 11 minutes left. I might make it. We'll see. I am going to be adding my own little twist on this recipe with peanut butter chips, so we'll see how that turns out. Props and a shout out to my mom for distracting my dog through all of this. Oh, these stupid scissors can't cut plastic. Ah. I'm getting better scissors. Okay, somehow the kitty scissors work better than... Oh, I just messed up. I just stopped my timer. Okay, we've recovered. Jump. Oh god, I just got egg on myself again. I don't even know what this wet stuff on the counter is, but it's here and it's annoying. Here's my timer. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Also, by the way, bake time does not count because bake time takes 40 minutes. So that is not part of the deal. This is probably the time that YouTubers would tell you to like and subscribe, but I'm not that YouTuber, so yeah, just enjoy the video from now on. Sorry, this is taking so long. Bro. I'm gonna get a million comments saying not to eat that, but whatever. The choco syrup. Oh my god, look at that. Y'all replay that glorious shot. Well, I'm gonna be 20 pounds fatter the next time you see me. Thank God I'm not eating all of these alone. Oh my god, my timer. Y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna make this. Why is it kind of giving MIA running out of time? Leave a comment if y'all remember Vivo. The Sonic movie. I feel like I did that wrong, but I mean, it's what the recipe says to do, so hopefully I read that correct. Don't tell anyone. We got the chips. Reese's peanut butter chips. Oh, wait, we might make this. Chat, we might make this. I need to add chocolate chips into this. Let me mix in the peanut butter chips, and then I'm definitely adding chocolate chips. I feel like I should have had a loud noise trigger warning at the beginning of this, kind of. Future me editing this video, maybe have a loud noise trigger warning. It took me way too long to find the chocolate chips. Oh, we only have 6 minutes left. It'll be worth it. It'll taste good. We might actually make this. It'll be a miracle if I make this. Why the heck did I say that I would do part 2 with 10 minutes if I get 10 likes? Like, I would be cooked right now if this was a 10-minute timer. I would be cooked. These brownies would be baked. Alright, we gotta get it into the pan. We might actually make this one, chat. 1 Okay, y'all, hold on. I'm pausing the timer. I need my mom to help me do this. This is not part of the timer. I need to find my mom. Hold on and like the video while I'm waiting. I have the timer on pause. Okay, we're back and we have a special guest because I can't pour this batter alone. Alright, let's hold this. I need a spoon. Alright. Giant spoon!
Yes! Good God. Are you going to do that?
Yes.
Okay. That's so good. How's your timer looking? 4 minutes. You have plenty of time. You could have done a tap dance in the middle of this. No sweat. Read any good books lately?
You're the publisher.
It's true. You're reading my books lately? Just the good ones.
Mm-hmm.
Not written by AI. Okay. I feel like we should have more better than this.
I mean, I followed the recipe. I feel like we should have more batter too. Maybe it'll bake out.
Had your water and your oil in there?
Yeah.
And your egg? Alright. Yeah.
Weird.
It'll be fine. This is fine.
This will be fine.
It's fine. Just get like a little shimmy so it's just like,
Yeah.
goes with the bottom.
Y'all, 3 minutes left. I don't know if you can see that tiny timer. Alright, we got this.
Shake it up, baby, now shake it up, baby.
Alright, I think that's good.
Okay.
Alright, I can
Wait,
pop it in
hang on,
again.
hang on. He's got to take this off because it's going to burn.
Yep.
Just got to grab it.
Props to my mom for distracting my dog too. I need oven mitts. Yeah, that would be smart. Let's go get out of the way. I don't want to burn you. Alright, we might have made the timer, y'all. Brownie's going in. And I promise I'll edit in another part once these are done. Actually, no, I won't stick to that promise. Anyway, we made the timer with, let's see how, 2 minutes and 45 seconds left.
Woot woot!
Alright, so, yeah. Oh crap, I forgot to set a timer. Nope. Oops. Bro, I keep messing up. Bro, why did I keep... Okay, I keep messing up. Alright! Chat, we did it. Yeah, I'll see you later. I post a lot on my shorts channel, so make sure to check that out. Bye!